Spin Master Monster Jam Series 29 Grave Digger. On the back of the card, here are the other trucks in this series. Grave Digger is in Arena Favorites. El Toro Loco is in Legacy Trucks. Megalodon is in Phased Out. Monster Mutt Dalmatian is in Rough Crowd. We get Soldier of Fortune and Steel Reveal. Lucas Oil Stabilizer is in Arena Favorites. Axe is in Arena Favorites. And then we also get Glaze Machine in Monster Feast. Here it is, the Green Ghost edition of Grave Digger. I would like to point out that I think that the wheels are lime green, and also the roll cage is lime green with a black looking chassis. I think this is really a nice looking piece for Grave Digger. I believe on the internet I've been trying to find information about this one, and I believe this is Grave Digger 20. And it debuted in Minneapolis in 2005 with this special Green Ghost body paint scheme. So that's a little bit information. I got that information off of monstertruck.fandom.com. So hopefully that's a reliable source of information. On to this Grave Digger Ghost scheme. We get the lime green roll cage, the lime green wheels, and a black chassis. Now, the body itself is a little bit different compared to other Grave Digger trucks. We see that there is like a flame area job going through the graveyard. The Ghost Mountain, I'm going to call it, is also different compared to a regular Grave Digger, and this one has red eyes, and the mountain itself is a different color. It's green on it, and also there is less color of the purple around the moon and into the graveyard itself. On to now the front of the truck. We still get those iconic red headlights, and then the flame job itself is a little bit different because we don't have the red outline going around each flame of the green, if you know what I mean. The paint scheme of the flame job also on the hood of the truck is different compared to a regular Grave Digger. Now we turn it around to the opposite side. Of course, the opposite side is the same. And we flip it up here to the top, and this is different as well compared to a regular Grave Digger. And we get the a skull a little bit different, and red eyes, and it says bad to the bone. And we get some flames flying around the bones, and also a little bit different flame job at the bottom and going through here below the wood of bone and around bad to the bone. And I wanted to bring in the exclusive 5-pack from Target, so let me go ahead and do that now. In this retro edition, we get that same body style up here in 2005. It says right there, you can see it. It's on flotation tires, and the color of the roll cage is different. Also, we get a gray chassis and gray wheels with that one here in the 5-pack. So on the back of this package, on the right hand side, you see 2005, and we get the Green Ghost paint scheme on the Grave Digger, the real Grave Digger. And then up top here, this looks like from World Finals. So one of the World Finals, the Green Ghost paint scheme that Dennis Anderson drove. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you find the Screen Ghost edition of Gravedigger in the stores.